It has been a while, everyone. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to an updated video on this channel. It has been 2 months since I've last uploaded a video on this channel. I've kind of taken some time off, and I'm going to keep this video raw just because my editing software is being a little bit weird right now, so I'm going to keep this video raw for you guys. But yeah, it's been 2 months, I think, since my last upload. And I kind of took a break from trading and from creating content. It was well overdue, I would say. I've been trading now for like 4 years consistently, so I've never taken a very long or extended break in a while. I don't think I ever have. I think the longest I've been was 1 week, and then I would continue trade and make content here or there. But yeah, it's been a while since I've taken a extended period of time. But I wasn't performing the best in the markets. I was blowing a lot of challenge accounts. I was over trading. I was revenge trading. I didn't really have, set rules. There wasn't really any sort of guidelines at the end of the year. In terms of my content, I felt like I was forcing content weekly for you guys instead of making higher quality video for you guys. I would just, pump out as much as I possibly can. And I want to change that. So yeah, I think that I want to kind of change. As well as I picked up extra hours at my part-time job, so I didn't really have time to trade and make content and work. I think my highest, work hours was 99 hours. I worked 99 hours bi-weekly, so about 50 hours per week, so I didn't really have time to, trade or make content. But yeah, that's basically the bulk of my break. I was just basically working and taking time off, which was very, very helpful as I came back in 2026, bought myself a challenge account, passed it. I have one express funded account from TopStep. I know TopStep has been getting a bit of, some bad name to it because of its platform, but I still do like it. I still do like the company itself, and I've done well with the company, so I'm going to continue with them, even though their name is not the best because of their platform issues. So far, I haven't really had any issues, and if I had any issues, they always have corrected it, so I'm okay with them. But yeah, I have an express funded account with them. I also purchased another challenge account with them, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm not doing too well. The express funded account is sitting at a $1,500 loss right now, and the challenge account is basically at break even at 50K balance, I believe. But hey, it's the New Year jitters, and I'm adapting to the markets right now, so if I blow it, I blow it. It is what it is. We continue back in 2025. Nothing has changed. New year, same me. But anyways, this is just a quick video, a quick little update of what's been going on. In terms of the channel, like I said, I was forcing a lot of the content in 2025 because I wanted to push this channel to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I noticed it was very unhealthy on my end, and I wasn't producing high quality content for you guys. So I'm going to probably either slow down the content or just try and create more higher quality content for you guys. I'm going to be myself and be more authentic instead of trying to be someone, instead of trying to be these trading gurus. I did the day in a life stuff, and I wasn't comfortable with it. At least not right now. I'm not comfortable with it. Maybe in the future I'll do it, but I'm going to do a lot more sit down, just talk to you guys on the webcam, have the charts pulled up, and just, try being authentic as possible on the camera, and try to teach you guys some stuff on the trading view or on the strategy side of things or the trading side of things, and try to basically be myself when it comes to creating content rather than trying to be some of these other guys who do day in a life videos of this. So yeah, that's what I'm probably gonna do, because I did notice that when I made those day in a life videos, they were pretty hard to do in the public. I know I have 700 subscribers, and I'm very thankful to you guys that I have this, and I should be thinking as if I'm talking to you guys. But right now, I wish you can see the setup. Like I'm just in front of a camera with the lens right there with you guys, just talking to you guys. So it feels more. I feel more at home when I'm in my safe area to basically communicate with you guys. But yeah, that's basically it. That's the update video, as raw as possible. I hope I didn't miss any points within this video. Normally I would have a little bit of a notes going on with some bullet points of what I wanted to talk about, but I wanted to keep this video raw. And we are at 5 minutes in the video, so I will catch you guys within the next video. let's have a banger 2026, and let's try and be profitable in 2026. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care and goodbye.